just coming in. There has been an attack on the BJP's Parivartan Rath in Purulia. The BJP claims that the Trinamool Congress is responsible for the attack on their Rath Yatra. On their Rath, the attack took place just after Abhishek Banerjee's rally in Purulia. And these are images that we are getting to you of the BJP Rath that was targeted in Purulia in the Bengal showdown. The BJP, of course, is blaming the Trinamool Congress. The BJP says this attack took place just after Abhishek Banerjee's rally. Of course, there you see policemen and central forces also deployed on ground. There will be an investigation, but this case is now becoming extremely, this battle for Bengal, bitter and personal. Mamata Banerjee, on the other hand, has also alleged that there is a plot to kill her. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Indrajit Kundu for more on this big story. Indrajit, what more can you tell us about the attack that has taken place on the BJP Rath? I'll come to you in a moment on Mamata's claims, but BJP's Parivartan Rath vandalized in Purulia, we are told. What details do we have?
Well, Gaurav, what we are hearing at this point in time is that the BJP Parivartan Rath Yatra, or the bus that was used as part of this Rath Yatra, that has been vandalized in Manbajar area of Purulia. And this happened just shortly after Abhishek Banerjee was there in that area and conducted a Trinamool Congress rally. We are being told by the local BJP there that the BJP workers are protesting right now. They have blocked the road, and they're also alleging that it is a handiwork of the Trinamool Congress. The local Trinamool, of course, has refused to take blame. But once again, a vandalism that has been reported on the BJP's Parivartan Rath Yatra, this time, of course, at Manbajar in Purulia district. And Purulia, of course, is going to polls in the very first phase. And we've seen a battery of BJP leaders, be it Yogi Adityanath, be it Amit Shah, be it JP Nadda, all camping in the Jungle Mahal area, be it Purulia, Bakura and Kharagpur in West Midnapur for the first phase of polls. And in that backdrop, just a short while back, BJP spokesperson Amit Malviya has tweeted about the incident, and he has said that this will not deter BJP workers and that BJP's national president JP Nadda will flag off the Parivartan Rath Yatra in the area.
Give us details of what was the BJP's plan with the Parivartan Rath Yatra, because the BJP hopes that this phase, the first phase, and the Jungle Mahal area will be the agent of change or agent of Asal Parivartan, as the BJP puts it, in Bengal. They're very hopeful of getting votes, especially in this phase. So bring us details of what was the BJP's plan and the TMC's counter-offensive.
Well, Gaurav, you know, the first phase, of course, elections will happen in Jungle Mahal area, which was at one point in time a Maoist-infested area. So it covers districts like Purulia, West Midnapur, Bakura. These are very remote areas, and which comes, as far as the BJP is concerned, comes within its Rar Bangla region, because the BJP has deployed specific leaders for each and every region. They have divided Bengal in specific regions, and the Rar Bangla region is where the BJP actually got quite a bit of success in the 2019 elections, because BJP won seats in Purulia, in Bakura, in Jhargram, in all these places, and these are all scheduled tribe dominated areas. And all the BJP top guns are here campaigning in this region. Today, Rajnath Singh was present, Yogi Adityanath was present, JP Nadda has been here since yesterday. Amit Shah conducted a roadshow 2 days back at this very location. So the BJP top guns firing on all cylinders as far as this region is concerned. And in that backdrop today, of course, comes this episode of vandalism on one of the buses of the BJP, which was being used in the Parivartan Rath Yatra.
Indrajit, stay with me. This is the area where the BJP hopes to make major inroads after 2019 general elections, now in 2021 assembly elections, and that is why they're firing all cylinders in this particular region. Now, a war of words just ahead of...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.